Hey guys, we're just driving around Midtown here, about to pop in and say hey to our friend Allison. She lives at Cornerstone Village. She's got her little loft up here. She works right across from town, and we're gonna see how she kicks it. Hey guys, we're at Cornerstone Village, popping over to see my friend Allison. Here she is now.
Come on in.
Alright, Allison, this is your place. You've been a local of Midtown for probably 2 years now, is that about right?
A little over.
A little over 2 years. Works at Drew and Eckel, about a mile south of here. Loft living, right across from pretty much all the best restaurants, and immediate, I would say, walk score is probably at its very highest here.
It's not bad.
What do you like to do with your free time?
I like to go. Tech Square is super cool to explore.
Love Tech Square.
Love going down to 10th Street for all the restaurants.
10th Street, okay.
There's 2 MARTA stations close by, so you can get basically everywhere.
And so, could you tell us a little bit about why you chose Midtown to
Well,
live?
like you said, the walkability score is high.
Oh, so high.
And I'm not the best driver, so I like to be able to walk everywhere. I love Piedmont Park. My brother's right around the corner, makes it great. And it's super close to work, it's super convenient.
Working from home, what is that like, and how has that been? I think since March we've been totally shut down. How's that been?
It's been great. I really struggled at first. It is a studio, so I see where I work and where I live and work out with COVID. But I've learned to bounce between different areas, try to really shut off. And I thought I would hate my place, but I actually love it more because of COVID.
Okay, well that's a good result. Well, now we know why Allison loves living in Midtown. Why don't we check out your place a little bit?
Let's do it.
Come on. So, as you guys could see, we just got done checking out Allison's place. Super cool, right in the heart of Midtown, and why she liked it. Now we're gonna hop over and see what we can get into next, show you guys the city. Jared, what's up?
Oh, what's up, man?
How's it going?
Pretty good. How you doing?
This is my good buddy Jared Shoops. We went to high school together. He is a orthopedic surgeon at Atlanta Medical Center, one of Atlanta's finest. He's a local here. He lives at the Alexan on 8th. So tell me a little bit about what it's like to live in the heart of Atlanta,
Yeah,
Midtown.
this is the normal for Midtown. Yeah, living in a big high-rise. Piedmont Park's like 2 blocks away, so hop on the birds and
Yeah.
get be there in 5 minutes.
Yep. What do you think about this area, Jared?
Yeah, that's the great part of Midtown. We live in a high-rise way, and then you come see all the historic architecture on the way to Piedmont Park. It's a good mix. You see the houses and the big high-rises in the back.
Yeah. All right, let's go check it out.
Let's do it.